The earth exhales. We came here not just to see the beauty, but to endure the cold and feel the profound stillness of the season. To truly know this place, you have to follow the narrow mountain tracks that wind like veins through the ancient land. To feel the ruts and the rocks beneath the wheels, to push through the last of the snowdrifts that cling to the highest trails. This is not just a journey, it's a commitment. This is more than a landscape. It is a test of our spirit and our gear. We've seen the high country in its frozen stillness, having to come to experience and live through its winter chill, a world away from everything. And in our patience, the mountains rewarded us. As the last of the deep snow melts from the high peaks, the land awakens. Rivers born of alpine meltwater race cold and clear through the ancient valleys, carving new paths. The golden wattles bloom, a brilliant promise of warmer days. It is in this waking that the true spirit of the mountains is revealed. The high plains breathe once more, a place of silent sentinels and untamed beauty.